My name is Anthony Hamilton. I'm a chef instructor here at Kent State. Behind me you'll see our techniques of food production class. So what it is they learn the cooking fundamentals. Most of my students are going to become event planners, country club managers. They're going to work in hotels and management, some sort of capacity, all of which involve food and beverage service. And so, if you know, being a chef is a highly specialized, profession. And so, to further prepare them how to manage chefs, interact with chefs, and otherwise work with chefs, they need to understand at least the techniques and the rigors of what it is to be a chef.
My name is Gretchen Sherman, and I'm a freshman at Kent State. This class has really given me the opportunity to grow my skills in the kitchen. So if I do end up in the restaurant business, I'll be prepared. And I think it will help me throughout my whole life and ready for anything that I come across.
My name is MARISA Bowser. I am a sophomore and I'm studying hospitality management and minoring in event planning.
That makes me so happy.
I think this class will help me in my work field after I graduate for many reasons. So I believe that this will kind of give me an advantage. I would recommend the hospitality management major if you're looking to do anything in the hotel industry, the culinary industry, like human resources, and kind of knowing how to talk to people, how to deal with people, and just kind of learning your basics of the hospitality program. So I believe the university does a really great job providing us the space and the equipment we need in order to succeed in this class.